When I was a little girl, well, right up as long as my grandparents were alive, they had one quote on the wall, one framed quote. The rest were pictures. And this quote said, "Thought, feeling, and the spoken word are the creative power of the universe." I read that every time I came to visit. Sometimes it was in my bedroom and I would look at it while I was lying in bed. Thought, feeling, and the spoken word are the power, creative power of the universe. My topic today is the power of the spoken word. And it isn't just spoken, it's sung. It's sung. In fact, Charles starts off talking about singing and the quality of that, of the voices. We know that singing can make us sad. It can express sadness. It can express joy. It can express devotion. It can express all kinds of things. But what I'm talking about today is that song that helps us to transcend the world completely. It's not just talent. It's not just talent. It's where the singer is focused. And when you resonate to the singing, whether it's the tabernacle choir or one voice like Sharla's today, if it's connected to soul, you resonate at the soul level. Because the singers themselves are feeling that divine essence flowing through them. The song is singing them. Any singers out there that have experienced that? I know I have many times. When someone is being sung by the song, you will have a greater experience because now you're being connected to your own soul through the power of resonance. Charles Fillmore says, when the voice has united with the life of the soul, it takes on a sweetness and a depth that one feels and remembers. And if that's not there, the voice is metallic and superficial.